Hi. On the first day that we did BLAST, not really the first day, the very first day, you were using BLAST 2 to align two different reads to build a config. But the day that I was introducing you to BLAST, in which you put one sequence in the box for the query, and BLAST looks for a match. On that day, I was teaching you that you can use BLAST to look for a function of a sequence, maybe you're identifying a sequence, looking for homologs, and let's see. And also, if you have a DNA sequence that gets transcribed and translated, is there a protein that matches that? And if there is a protein, then in which frame is that sequence transcribed and translated to then allow you to see the match with the protein? So this was toward the end of BLAST day 1. Then we did gene prediction software, which looked at ab initio prediction, so looking at cues in the sequence to see where there might be a gene. And now on BLAST day 2, you are going to predict genes, but instead of using the sequence of the gene to look for the cues of start codon, stop codon, sequences for a transcription start site, or sequences that are a signal for the poly A tail. Instead of doing that, you're going to have a sequence that's your query, so some genomic sequence, and you're wondering, is there a gene in this genomic sequence? And you're going to see, is there any protein that matches some sequence of this genomic sequence? So there are different ways of doing that. You're not going to get a protein match and nucleotide sequence, so there are different steps. That's what you're doing now in day 2 of BLAST.